Just type what you need. The agent is already done. It formatted the header row and numbers in no time. But let's make our table even clearer. The agent formatted 10,000 rows in seconds, saving you a load of time. Think your spreadsheet is error-free? Let the agent double-check. Within seconds, the agent identified several critical errors for you. And fixing them is just as easy. With just 2 prompts, your entire spreadsheet is fully corrected. Struggling with pivot tables? Just explain what you need. And let the agent do it for you. The agent is already finished. If you need a chart too, prompt away. In a matter of seconds, the agent made you a pro data analyst. Just describe the research you need. And the agent will do the rest. Now, you have 1,500 web enrichments with no effort. Bulk research really can be this easy. Need to translate thousands of rows into multiple languages? Just ask the agent. And let it handle the grunt work for you. The agent has already finished. It processed 2,000 translations in minutes. Tired of writing meta content one by one? Let the agent handle it. The agent completed 1,000 meta titles and descriptions in minutes. Try it for free today. Don't have the time or energy to categorize your catalog? Just get the agent to do it. Need product tags too? The agent's got you covered. In a few minutes, the agent saved you a lot of manual work. Install it for free today.